over the rainbow, way up.
Hello everyone and welcome to Maximize Freedom channel. I am here today to give some more information about weather seeding and about weather modification and about the planes in the sky and whether or not they are leaving contrails or whether or not what they are spraying is toxic or not to humans and to the plants and to the ecosystem. So I found a bunch of websites and I decided to show them. The first website is North American Weather Consultants Incorporated. World's longest standing private weather modification company since 1950. And it shows a few of their techniques and what they use for fog seeding and fog dissipation. It shows that they use cold fog mainly because it's easier to manipulate, and they use silver iodide, solid carbon dioxide, or liquefied propane. And if I scroll down, it also shows that they use sulfur hexafluoride. So there's 4 of the chemicals that they use in weather seeding, according to this website. And it also shows that they use more chemicals and to contact them for the information on the more chemicals, which had been done. And these are other chemicals they use: acetone, sodium perchlorate, paradichlorobenzene, and ammonium iodide. So I decided to do some research on some of what these chemicals do, and I found that they may cause argyra, excessive exposure to silver. And it shows that gradual accumulation of silver compounds in the body, and that this may lead to an effect in the skin pigmentation, and it can also affect the eyes. While silver is potentially toxic to humans at high doses, it is relatively harmless at low doses. But relatively harmless doesn't mean harmless, and it can lead to argyphobia in the skin and other organs. On to the next website. This is also one of the biggest weather modification companies. It's called Weather Modification Incorporated. So here it shows all their clients and projects from all these different countries and all the different organizations that use them. And there is a long list just for this company. Look in the United States. Aeromat Incorporated, All-Thread Communications, United States Department of Defense. And we got Federal Aviation Commission for the Great Lakes, Illinois Weather Mod Projects. They're associated with the NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. And this is just one of, I'm guessing, several major weather modification organizations. So I'm going on the next page and it shows you their fleet of airplanes that they use. See them? They acquired an FAA supplemental type certificate for the seeding, which means that the government is okay with it. Okay. Go on to the last page for the Weather Modification Incorporated site that I wanted to show. This shows that they use a dual channel microwave radiometers. It's a popular tool for identifying the presence of liquid cloud water for wintertime seeding projects. It is valued for summertime work as well. Okay. This tool provides real-time remote measurements of atmospheric water vapor and liquid water. When coupled with upper air temperature data, it can identify regions of supercooled cold cloud water in cumuliform clouds. And I think that they use the sulfur hexafluoride along with the microradiometer in order to find these, in order to locate where they want to do it and how they want to do it. Okay. Now, I wanted to go look up sulfur hexafluoride because they show that it's not very toxic, and I've seen science teachers inhaling it. So I was like, are they stupid to be inhaling this or not? So I went to Wikipedia and I found out that according to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, F6 is the most potent greenhouse gas that has been evaluated, with a global warming potential of 23,900 times that of carbon dioxide when compared over a 100-year period. So basically what I think this means is that it's raising the temperature extremely high, which doesn't make much sense because according to the large meeting that the government held in order to get scientists together in order to lower the global temperature because of global warming or earth warming or whatever caused by pollution, but here it shows that they're spraying an extremely high greenhouse gas with extreme global warming potential of 23,900 times that of carbon dioxide. So it doesn't seem like they're actually doing what they say they're doing. Now we move on to silver iodide because their website for weather mods show that silver iodide is harmless. But the Office of Environment, Health, and Safety in UC Berkeley rates silver iodide as a Class C non-soluble inorganic hazardous chemical that pollutes water and soil. It has been found to be highly toxic to fish, livestock, and humans. Numerous medical articles demonstrate that humans absorb silver iodide through the lungs, nose, skin, and GI tract. Mild toxicity can cause GI irritation, renal and pulmonary lesions, mild arrhythmia. Severe toxicity results in hemorrhagic gastroenteritis, shock, enlarged heart, severe agria, and death by respiratory depression. So, they claim it's harmless, yet one of the top universities claims it's a hazardous chemical that pollutes. They claim that they're non-hazardous chemicals that they're spraying, but a simple research of these chemicals using other websites shows that they are almost all hazardous to humans and plants and everything. And it makes me wonder if everybody knew exactly what they were doing. Well, I highly would bet that they would stop doing what they're doing. And that's why I'm making this video, to give a better informed information about exactly what they're doing and where they're doing it. I hope you enjoyed. Please like or subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.